In a forest full of magic and wonder lived a tiny capybara named Cappy, soft, curious, and kind. One day, the light that kept the forest glowing vanished. Everything dimmed. The animals looked up, scared and silent. But Cappy didn't panic. He spotted glowing paw prints and followed them step by tiny step. Deep in a secret grove, a shy baby fox had found the lost orb. It was beautiful and heavy with magic. Afraid of making things worse, the fox hid it away in a quiet burrow, hoping no one would notice. But Cappy found him. He didn't scold or blame. He smiled and reached out gently. Together, they carried the orb back. Cappy climbed vines and roots, paws glowing with courage. And as the orb rose once more, the forest bloomed with light. The animals danced, joy returned, and little Cappy walked into the golden glow, knowing that kindness can bring light, even to the darkest woods.